Good morning. Today is Tuesday, January 24th, about 11:42. We are having a big winter storm coming, snow coming from southwest right now. It's Oklahoma coming to Bolivar, Missouri. So I come here to see my friends, and the cows are over there. I don't want to drive across there. Okay, from a distance before the big snow comes. And so I was busy working on my syllabus and getting students ready. Our school starts tomorrow. Yeah, I'm a management professor at Southwest Baptist University. So anyway, I have 5 classes. I already posted all the assignments for the first week. Just pray we're gonna have class tomorrow. Could be a lot of snow. They forecasted about 6 to 7 inches. Anyway, I want to see this neighborhood. This morning was beautiful sunrise, and the geese are flying. And now it's just clouds because the storm is coming about 4 o'clock. Anyway, just a beautiful neighborhood. I just love to come here and enjoy God's nature and take photos and walk and normally I wear my boots and carry my baton, just walk in this neighborhood. It's just beautiful. I love God's nature and love my cow friends and a lot of other animals too, deer, coyote, red fox, armadillo, and snapping turtles, and geese just flying here, and ugly ducklings too. Anyway, actually, it's a pretty big lake here. It's an artificial lake. It used to be a ranch here, and right now it's just waiting for developing. Just beautiful here, and enjoy God's nature. Okay, 再见, sayonara. Bye for now. God bless you. This is Dr. DVD from Missouri. Bye bye.